Write the percent as a decimal. To do this, you need to move the decimal 2 spots to the left. If you have empty gaps, you're going to fill those in with zeros. Complete the rest of the warm-up on your own. At a craft fair, a seller accepts payment using credit cards, but charges a fee of $1.50 plus 1.5% of the total cost of the purchase. Mr. Adams has a credit card that gives him 3% cash back on his purchases. Is it worth it for him to use the credit card at the craft fair? So some words that we might not be as familiar with include fee. A fee is something or an amount that you are charged for a service. It can be a dollar amount, such as $1.50, which we would call a flat fee, but it can also be a percent, such as the 1.5%, or a combination of the two. When a credit card company offers cash back, it means that they are giving the credit card user a percent of the amount that was charged to the credit card. We're going to explore this question in more detail towards the end of lesson 8. Let's start here with question 1. Henry wants to transfer $40 to Kabir through one of 3 apps on his phone. App A charges a fee of 3% of the transferred amount. Determine the fee charged by app A. So this might be something like Venmo, Cash App, or Zelle. I don't know if you've heard maybe some adults talking about those or older siblings. So we can solve this using the proportion setup. 40 is the whole. Cross multiply and divide. So 40 times 3 divided by 100. So the fee that they are charged is $1.20. B says Kabir knows about another app, App B, which also charges a percent-based fee. He transferred $40 to a different friend by using App B, and the fee was $1. What percent did App B charge as the fee? So $1 is the part, and $40 is the whole or the original. This time we're looking for the percent. So if we cross multiply here, oops, not 300. Cross multiply, then divide. 1 times 100 is 100. 100 divided by 40 is 2.5 for the percent fee that they were charged. App C charges a fee of 95 cents plus 1.25% of the transferred amount. Determine the fee charged by App C to transfer $40. So let's start by figuring out the percentage piece of it. We have 1.25%. So cross multiply and divide. 40 times 1.25 divided by 100 is 50 cents plus the 95 cent is a total fee of $1.45. So which app will charge Henry the least in fees for transferring $40? Well, app A was $1.20, app B was $1, and app C was $1.45. So B charges the least. An electric company charges a late fee of 1.5% if the bill of the bill. If a bill is $210, if a $210 bill is not paid on time, how much is the late fee? Cross multiply, then divide. 210 times 1.5 divided by 100 is $3.15. An architect adds a percent-based fee of $23,207.60 to a construction project bill of $178,520. Calculate the percent used in the architect's fee. So the whole is this 178,520, and the part that is the fee is $23,207.60. To figure out the percent, we can cross multiply and then divide. $23,207.60 times 100 divided by 178,520 is a 13% fee. A solar system poster is priced at $12.99. If a 15% fee for shipping is applied to the purchase of the poster, how much money is the shipping fee? So $12.99 is the price of the poster, and the fee is 15% of the price. So $12.99 times 15 divided by 100 is 1.9485. But with money, we only keep 2 decimal spots. So we're going to approximate this or round it to say that the shipping fee is $1.95. This 8 makes the 4 go up. Pedro had an internet bill for $59.50 that included $2.50 in fees. What percent of the bill was related to the fees? Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. Here it's indicating that of the bill is the whole. So the bill is the whole. The fees would be the part. And we're looking for the percentage. Cross multiply, 250 times 100, and divide by $59.50, which is approximately 4.2%. The decimals continue on, but we're just going to round to the nearest tenth, which is one place value. Ava buys a car for $28,750. She learns that she has to pay a registration fee of 2%. So percents are over 100. How much is the registration fee? $28,750 times 2 divided by 100 is a registration fee of $575. A travel agency charges 19.5% in fees to arrange for a cruise. If Nora's cruise is priced at $619 before the fees are added, how much are the fees? So we'll multiply and divide. 619 times 1950 divided by 100. That would give us 120.705, but the 5 rounds 0 up to a 1, which means they're going to pay $120.71 in fees. Like I mentioned earlier, revisit the craft fair question. It says, "The craft fair, a seller accepts payment using credit cards but charges a fee of $1.50 plus 15% of the total cost of the purchase. Mr. Adams has a credit card that gives him 3% cash back on his purchases. If the item he wants to buy costs $25, is it better for Mr. Adams to pay cash or to pay with his credit card?" So we'll start by figuring out what 1.5% of the $25 purchase would be. $25 times 1.5 divided by 100 is a fee of $3.75 plus the $1.50 fee. So altogether, Mr. Adams is going to have to pay $1 and approximately 88 cents for using his credit card. If he gets 3% cash back, is he going to earn more than $1.88, or is it going to be better for him to use cash? So let's check. If we had a $25 purchase and we wanted to find 3% of that, what would the part be? Well, 25 times 3 is 75, and 75 divided by 100 is going to be 75 cents. So he's only going to earn 75 cents by using his credit card, but he's going to have to pay a fee of $1.88. So it would be better for him to pay cash. Mr. Adams should pay cash because he would be charged $1.88 to use his card, but would only earn 75 cents in cash back. So he's losing money by using his card. If he pays with cash, he doesn't have to pay the fee, but he also won't earn any cash back by using his card. However, he's still going to save himself money because the fees outweigh the cash back. If he wants to buy, if the item he wants to buy is $100, is it better to pay cash or to pay with his credit card? So if we had a $100 item and he pays a fee that's 1.5%, that would be $1.50 plus the $1.50 already exists for the fee, which would give him a $3 fee. If he does cash back on the $100 item, at 3% cash back, that would also be $3 in cash back. So is it better to pay cash or with credit card? At this value, it doesn't make any difference. He would get charged a $3 fee, but he would earn $3 back. If the item he wants to buy costs $120, is it better to pay cash or to pay with his credit card? So for the fee, if we had a $120 item with a fee of 1.5%, 120 times 1.5 divided by 100 would be $1.80 plus the $1.50 fee that exists is $3.30 of the fee. For the cash back, on the $120 item, with 3% cash back, 120 times 3 divided by 100 is $3.60. So at this value, it would be better to use his credit card because he's going to earn more cash back than he is going to pay in fees. He should use his credit card since the cash back is greater than the fees. That is the end of lesson 8. Check back for lesson 9. Should be posted soon.